श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक दुसरा मूर्ख लक्षणांचा, समास दुसरा उत्तम लक्षण.
Dashak 2 Signs of Fools. Chapter 2 Signs of Good Qualities. Shri Ram.
श्रोता व्हावे सावधान, आता सांगतो उत्तम गुण. जेणे करिता बाणे खूण, सर्वज्ञपणाची.
The listeners may please be alert. I am now telling about good signs or good qualities by developing which one becomes knowledgeable.
वाट पुसल्या वीण जाऊ नये, फळ ओळखल्या वीण खाऊ नये. पडली वस्तू घेऊ नये, एकाएकी.
One should not go anywhere without properly asking directions of the road. One should not eat any fruit without recognizing its properties. And one should not hastily pick up anything just lying around.
अतिवाद करू नये, पोटी कपट धरू नये. शोधल्या वीण करू नये, कुळहीन कांता.
One should not argue endlessly. One should not have malice in one's mind. One should not marry any girl without thorough inquiry about her family background.
विचारे वीण बोलो नये, विवंचने वीण चालो नये. मर्यादे वीण हालो नये, काही एक.
One should not speak without thinking. One should not do anything without considering its propriety. One should not act in any way without giving proper thought to the rules of conduct.
प्रीती वीण रुसो नये, चोरास ओळखी पुसो नये. रात्री पंथ क्रमू नये, एकाएकी.
One should not be sulky unless one has love in one's heart. One should not ask questions about acquaintances to a robber. One should not travel at night alone or without proper precautions.
जनी आर्जव तोडू नये, पापद्रव्य जोडू नये. पुण्यमार्ग सोडू नये, कदाकाळी.
One should not be curt and break the good relations. One should not earn money through sin. One should not deviate from the path of virtue at any time.
निंदा द्वेष करू नये, असत्संग धरू नये. द्रव्यदारा हरू नये, बलात्कारे.
One should not blame or hate, should not have bad company, and should not by force take away others' money or spouse.
वक्तयास खोदू नये, ऐक्यतेसी फोडू नये. विद्या अभ्यास सोडू नये, काही केल्या.
One should not contradict the speaker while he is speaking. One should not break the unity. One should not neglect or leave studies under any circumstances.
तोंडाळाशी भांडो नये, वाचाळाशी तंटो नये. संत संग खंडू नये, अंतर्यामी.
One should not quarrel with a man who abuses everybody. One should not argue with any over-talkative person. And one should not lose love of saints from one's heart.
अतिक्रोध करू नये, जीवलगास खेदू नये. मनी वीट मानू नये, शिकवणेचा.
One must not be over angry. One should not disturb or trouble one's dear friends. And if somebody teaches, one should not get annoyed.
क्षणक्षणा रुसो नये, लटिका पुरुषार्थ बोलो नये. केल्या वीण सांगो नये, आपला पराक्रमू.
One should not be always sulky, should not boast with empty words, and should not tell about one's achievement without actually being successful.
बोलीला बोल विसरो नये, प्रसंगी सामर्थ्य चुको नये. केल्या वीण निखंदू नये, पुढलासी कदा.
One should not forget that one has talked, and in critical time one should not miss the opportunity to prove one's worth. One should not criticize others when oneself is not able to do anything.
आळसे सुख मानू नये, चाहाडी मनास आणू नये, शोधल्या वीण करू नये, कार्य काही.
One should not feel happy in laziness. One should not value evil gossip, and one should not do anything without properly understanding it by thorough inquiry.
सुखा अंग देऊ नये, प्रयत्न पुरुषे सांडू नये, कष्ट करिता त्रासो नये, निरंतर.
One should not be attached to bodily comfort. One should never leave efforts and should not be irritated by suffering.
सभेमध्ये लाजो नये, बाष्कळपणे बोलो नये, पैज होड घालू नये, काही केल्या.
One should not be bashful in any public meeting, should not babble loosely, or never should swear or challenge.
बहुत चिंता करू नये, निसुगपणे राहो नये, परस्त्री ते पाहो नये, पाप बुद्धी.
One should not worry too much, not be lazy not doing anything, and one should not stare at others' spouse with lust.
कोणाचा उपकार घेऊ नये, घेतला तरी राखो नये, परपीडा करू नये, विश्वासघात.
One should not be under obligation of anybody, and if one has to take help, one should return the favor. One should not trouble others or betray them.
शोचे वीण असो नये, मळीन वस्त्र नेसो नये, जाणारास पुसो नये, कोठे जातोस म्हणोनी.
One should not remain unclean or wear shabby clothes. One should not ask, "Where are you going?" to anyone who is going out.
व्यापकपण सांडू नये, पराधीन होऊ नये, आपले बोझे घालू नये, कोणी एकासी.
One should not lose the broader view of things. One should not be dependent. One should not put one's burden on others.
पत्रे विण पर्वत करू नये, हिनाचे ऋण घेऊ नये, गोही विण जाऊ नये, राजद्वारा.
One should not have transactions without proper documents. One should not take loan from a loafer, and one should not go to the government authorities without proper papers or witnesses.
लटकी जाजू घेऊ नये, सभेस लटके करू नये, आदर नसता बोलो नये, स्वाभाविक.
One should not take sides of false claims. One should not contradict majority opinion in any meeting, and one should never talk disrespectfully.
आदखेपण करू नये, अन्याये वीण गांजू नये, अवनीतीने वर्तो नये, आंगबळे.
One should not feel jealous when one sees the riches of others. One should not punish anybody when he has not done anything wrong, and one should not behave unjustly by being proud of physical strength.
बहुत अन्न खाऊ नये, बहुत निद्रा करू नये, बहुत दिवस राहो नये, पिसुणाचे थे.
One should not overeat, nor should one sleep much, and one should not go to reside in the house of a man who is known to be a bad gossip.
आपल्याची गोही देऊ नये, आपली कीर्ती वर्णू नये, आपले आपण हसो नये, गोष्टी सांगोनी.
One should not give guarantee blindly for relatives. One should always verify the truth. One should not praise oneself, and one should not oneself laugh while telling stories.
धूम्रपान घेऊ नये, उन्मत्त द्रव्य सेवू नये, बहुचकासी करू नये, मैत्री कदा.
One should not smoke. One should not take intoxicating drugs, and one should not be friendly with over-talkative persons.
कामे वीण राहो नये, नीच उत्तर साहो नये, आसुदे अन्न सेवू नये, वडिलांचेही.
One should not remain idle without any work. One should not tolerate insults. One should not take food even from elderly people if it is not pure or unclean.
तोंडी सिवी असो नये, दुसऱ्यास देखोन हसो नये, उणे अंगी संचारो नये, कुळवंताचे.
One should never use abusive language. One should not ridicule others, and one should not brood over little defaults of really noble men.
देखली वस्तू चोरू नये, बहुत कृपण होऊ नये, जीवलगांसी करू नये, कळह कदा.
One should not steal any article simply because it is lying about. One should not be too miserly, and one should not quarrel amongst one's own dear people.
एकाचा घात करू नये, लटकी गोही देऊ नये, अप्रमाण वर्तो नये, कदा काळी.
One should not deceive or destroy anybody. One should not give false evidence. One should not behave irrationally at any time.
चहाडी चोरी धरू नये, परद्वार करू नये, मागे उणे बोलो नये, कोणी एकाचे.
No gossip should be done, no robbery should be done. One should not be entangled with others' spouse, and one should not criticize anybody by backbiting.
समयी यावा चुको नये, सत्वगुण सांडू नये, वैरियासी दंडू नये, शरण आलिया.
When time comes, one should not be afraid to do the brave deed. One should not let our piousness be spoiled, and if the enemy surrenders, he should not be punished.
अल्पधने माजो नये, हरिभक्तीस लाजो नये, मर्यादे विण चालो नये, पवित्र जनी.
One should not be puffed by having a small amount of money. One should not be ashamed in devotion, and one should not behave arrogantly in the company of good and pious people.
मूर्खासी संबंध पडो नये, अंधारी हात घालू नये, दुश्चितपणे विसरो नये, वस्तू आपुली.
One should not have any dealing with foolish person. One should not put one's hand in dark place. One should not forget one's things by carelessness.
स्नान संध्या सांडू नये, कुळाचार खंडू नये, अनाचार मांडू नये, चुकुरपणे.
The daily bath and rituals and the family traditional ceremonies should not be stopped. One should not do wrong things by negligence.
हरिकथा सांडू नये, निरूपण तोडू नये, परमार्थास मोडू नये, प्रपंच बळे.
One should not forget to listen to the glory of God. One should not contradict while somebody is speaking, and one should not neglect higher path of liberation being forced by family ties.
देवाचा नवस बुडवू नये, आपला धर्म उडवू नये, भलते भरी भरो नये, विचारे विण.
One should not forget to fulfill promises given to God. One should not flout one's own religion and should not do any awkward things under anyone's influence.
निष्ठुरपण धरू नये, जीव हत्या करू नये, पाऊस देखो न जाऊ नये, अथवा अवकाळी.
One should not be cruel. One should not kill any creature. When there is heavy rain or when the time is not proper, one should not go out.
सभा देखो न गळो नये, समयी उत्तर टळो नये, धिक्कारिता चळो नये, धारिष्क्य आपुले.
One should not get panicky when confronted by a gathering. One should not miss to give a timely and proper answer. And even if somebody insults, one should not be discouraged.
गुरुविरहित असो नये, नीच यातीचा गुरु करू नये, जिणे शाश्वत मानू नये, वैभवेसी.
One should not be without a guru, but one should not have a guru who belongs to a lower stature. When one is rich, one should not think that one will live forever.
सत्य मार्ग सांडू नये, असत्य पंथे जाऊ नये, कदा अभिमान घेऊ नये असत्याचा.
One should not leave the path of truth and go by the path of untruth, nor should one be proud of a false thing.
अपकीर्ती ते सांडावी, सदकीर्ती वाढवावी, विवेके दृढ धरावी, वाट सत्याची.
One should wipe out bad name and earn good name. By discrimination, one should hold fast to the path of truth.
नेघता हे उत्तम गुण, ते मनुष्य अवलक्षण, ऐकतयाचे लक्षण, पुढिले समासी.
If these good qualities are not cultivated, the man becomes bad character. The signs of such a bad person are described in the next chapter, which you should listen to.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे उत्तम लक्षण नाम समास दुसरा श्रीराम.
Thus, in this second dashak of Dasabodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this second chapter, by name Signs of Good Qualities, is completed here. Shri Ram Samartha, Shri Ram